guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney and today I'm going to be doing the Tiny Hands Challenge, as you can see, and obviously from the title you all saw that. Yeah, so I'm going to attempt to do my makeup with these tiny hands today. Now there have been a lot of these videos going around for months. I wanted to do it because for some reason I like to watch people try to do things with tiny hands. I don't know why, but it's everywhere on the internet. You can look that up. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my primer. I'm gonna be using my CoverGirl True Blend Pore Minimizing Primer. I'm just gonna squeeze it onto the hand here. Put that on my face. I pretty much already did my eyebrows, so because that's just not going to be happening today. Next will be foundation, the Maybelline Super Stay foundation. Okay, I got some. Pouncing in that foundation with my beauty sponge. Okay. What? Just keep blending. What? Want to make sure you prime your eyelids. Make sure you bring it down onto the neck. Oh, okay. All my hair. Alright, I think that's good. Now that we have a flawless foundation base, let's move on to some concealer. I'm gonna go in with the Age Rewind because it seems like it will be the easiest one to put on. And just put under eyes, highlight the forehead. Okay, and then use your sponge to blend that out. Ew, there's a hair. That's disgusting. Make sure to really blend out the under eyes so that you don't have creases, and we'll have nice highlighted under eyes. Okay, great, fantastic. Next, let's do a little cream contour. I'm going to be using my NYX contour stick, and we just want to create those cheekbones, toast the edges out here, under the chin and the lips for some bigger lips, and the nose. And sometimes I like to bring it into the crease just for a base for the eye look. I didn't think about blending this out. Let's try it with the sponge. So just pounce over that contour. Oh, it worked. Okay, so just just pounce it out with your sponge, and oh, not so bad, right? It's only taking me like 40 minutes longer. Beautiful.
That looks fantastic.
Now that we have all of our creams down, we're gonna want to set that with powder so that this can last all day, right? So I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And since we've been on a roll with the sponge, I'm just gonna dip that into the powder. Set the under eye. Oh yeah, just like that. So next would be bronzer. I'm going to be using my Hoola bronzer and just put that on the cheeks, just like that. She is beauty. She is grace. Oh, oh, okay. Yep. All right, and just go boop, just like that. Toast the edges. Perfect. I'm gonna go in with some blush. This is the Becca Mineral Blush in Flower Child. Put that on the apples of the cheeks. Great. Now we're gonna do highlighter. We're gonna go in with Champagne Pop, and I'm gonna use a brush for that, a Morphe brush, and just put it right here in the tops of the cheekbones and above the lip. Cupid's bow, the nose. Nice, gorgeous, beautiful. So next, let's do eyes. Most excited about this part. Gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Pooter in the crease. Go in on the crease. Oh no. Great. Beautiful. Remember, there are no mistakes in makeup. Just happy accidents. Why don't we put some color? Let's go in with the shade Twerk, why don't we? Wow, look at that pigmentation. Beautiful. I'm just gonna tap that onto the lid. All right, so I want to put the shade In Light on the inner corner, just to, oh, yep, just like that. Nice. Why don't we put some gold on the middle of the lid? So let's just clean up the under eye with our sponge. Now let's do the lower lash line and just gently put that on the lower lash line. Okay, so next would be mascara. So let's go in with the L'Oreal Telescopic. We're just gonna do the top lashes today. I'm actually pretty astonished that I managed to do that without poking my eyes out. Great, we're almost finished with this look. Next would be lips. Let's line our lips. So I'm gonna be going in with the Milani lip pencil. In the shade All Natural. Great. And I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Baddest Beige lipstick. Usually I would use a setting spray. So let's attempt to try to use the MAC Fix Plus. So just need to get down to the level of the bottle and then okay, great. Okay, so this is the final look. Yeah, this was kind of fun, a little frustrating, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me attempting the Tiny Hands Challenge. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos from me. And I will see you on the next one. Bye guys. Bye.